this video, I will show you how to get Lyft Monthly Statement. And this is actually depending on what you want to see. And I'm going to show you two things in this video. First of all, if you are a consumer and you want to see your statement of the rides you had. And I'm going to show you how it looks like when you are a driver and if you want to see monthly statements. So first of all, open the app and click on the three stripes at the top left. And from here, navigate to Ride History. And then click on Export if you want to see it if you are a consumer. And if you are a driver, then this is what you need to do. You basically need to go to your Earnings tab, and then you can click on Earnings Statement. And how you exit this is simple. You just click on Account, then select your info, and then under the driver header, select Earnings Statement. So just go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you can choose your time frame and then enter the email address that you want to send the reference letter to. But this is what you only can do under the Drive with Lyft app, all the way at the bottom. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.